On a straight run, we would have had 4 out of the 5 coming from our side. But let me tell you one thing. Why do people have a problem with that? Isn't that the integration of the country?
No. It's not. We are talking about
that
people can vote independently.
No. There's something which is going on out there. I've seen a number of tweets by other people basically say, oh, the Somalis and the rest of it. Look at the Joe Biden's government today. Out of the 10 top offices, 8 of them are held by Jews. And Jews are only 2% of the population. Nobody talks about it. You get my point? Now, if we can integrate this country and we can have 8 of them held by Kikuyus, why would we say that Kikuyus are holding this? You get my point?
Yeah.
If Somalis, for God's sake, because I'll tell you why.
But
I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why there are 4 of them there. Because they're in all the parties. And in every party where they are, can you compete with Duale in UDA? Can you compete? Hang on a minute. Can you compete with Farah Maalim in Wiper?
No.
Or Junet in
ODM. You get my point? Or Yusuf Hassan in Jubilee. And the fact of the matter is, our loyalty is total.
Yes.
You see, Junet is in ODM, he will die there. Duale will die for Ruto.
It's true. I remember interviewing Duale a while back. And then he said,
so whatever we
let me say what he said. Because of loyalty, when you talk about loyalty, he said, if Ruto asks me to jump, he asks me to jump from the top of KICC to the bottom of on the ground there.
I'll take a dive.
I'll take a dive. And if he promises that I will not really break my leg, I'll take the dive for him.
You see,
and I said he's been very loyal.
Extremely loyal. You see, basically, because of that loyalty, that we don't know, we have no half measures. You want to fight for somebody, you fight for that person to death.